Damo, the son of Pythagoras, wants to build a vacation cottage for his mother and father. In keeping with the family business of triangles, Damo decides to incorporate the shape into the design of the cottage. What a perfect time to use his dad's theorem, the Pythagorean Theorem. For the roof of the cottage, Damo will use a triangle design, but what size and shape should the triangle be? Damo's dad spoke of many combinations of integers to create the three sides of right triangles, called Pythagorean triples. But which one is best? Damo thinks back to his dad's class on triangles from school. His dad taught him well. He remembers that right triangles have one and only one right angle, and a right angle is equal to 90 degrees. Even though one angle has to be 90 degrees, there are several different combinations of side lengths that Damo can use. These special relationships are called Pythagorean triples. If the integer side lengths of a triangle create a Pythagorean triple, the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared will work. How about this triangle? Is it a Pythagorean triple? Let's see. The triangle has a right angle, and if you sum the area of the two smaller squares, the sum is equal to the area of the larger square. Damo has a choice of several different roof shapes, but he wants one in the shape of a right triangle, and it must be just right for the cottage. The first Pythagorean triple Damo remembers is 3, 4, and 5. Plugging this into dear old dad's theorem gives him 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared, which is 9 plus 16 equals 25. This is awesome! No wonder Dad gets so excited about right triangles. He knows this one is in the shape of a right triangle, but it's too small. Next, he tries side lengths 8, 15, and 17. Let's see. Is it a right triangle? Shall we try out the theorem? 8 squared plus 15 squared equals 17 squared. So, 64 plus 225 equals 289. Yep, this one works too. But darn, it looks just like the roof on top of Jorge's yogurt shop. And that just won't do for his parents. There are only a few more roof styles that the roof cutters offer. Damo checks the larger roof, which side measures 7, 24, and 25 first. Does it satisfy the theorem? 7 squared plus 24 squared equals 25 squared. This is the same as 49 plus 576 equals 625. Yes, it works, but it's just too big. There's one last option. A triangle with side lengths of 5, 12, and 13. I sure hope this one works. 25 plus 144 equals 169. Yeah! This shape is a right triangle, and it's just the right size and style. So, Damo picked a roof that's just right. He also practiced the Pythagorean theorem and learned some Pythagorean triples. Seems like a win-win to me. The roof of the cottage looks great, and his dad looks very pleased with the shape. Oh no! Damo forgot that different materials have different densities. Oh geez. Where was Damo when his dad was teaching the unit on density? I guess he can still learn something from his dear old dad. Join us next time for more triangular adventures with Damo.